how to add a dummy into your car in BeamNG Drive for crash test. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now for this, we'll need a mod. Now just press escape, then go here on repository. Now also the repository tab here, search for dummy. Then click search. Now look for the suggestion here. We have the universal dummy stunt drive. This one is the best. So just click on it. And then make sure to let me first unsubscribe it. So I can show you how I install it. So come here and search for dummy. Click on it. Now make sure to select here subscribe. Now once you subscribe, it will start downloading this dummy. Wait for the download to finish. Now select here unpack to unzip this dummy mod so that it can be installed on your mod folder. So select here unpack. Wait for the unpack to finish. After the unpack has finished, just press the back button, press back again, press back. Now we want to add the dummy into this car. Now press escape, go here to vehicle config, and then on the license plate design, it's empty, so make sure to click on it. Select this dummy, which is Agent Y Universal Dummy Mod. Once you click to it, automatically the dummy will be added onto your car. Now you can press the back button, back, and then you can drive with the dummy included on the vehicle so that you can test a crash. Thus, you can add a dummy onto your vehicle in BeamNG Drive. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.